What if I told you that there is a platform which has less competition than YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, but very popular in Cincy? You must hear about it, but maybe don't know that what is the exact process to earn money from it. You think right. This is Pinterest. We all know about it, but very few of us exactly know that how to use it to make money. In this video, I will tell that which is the most easiest way to make money from Pinterest. No. So without wasting any time, let's go and see how to make money from Pinterest. So the first step is setting up your account. Okay, for that go to your web browser and search Pinterest. Then go to the official account of Pinterest and then click on login. After that, click continue with Google. Then sign in with your Gmail account and then give your date of birth. After that, click create account. Confirm your name and then click continue. Select your gender and then click continue. Select some images according to your interest and then simply click on continue to your feed. So first step is complete. Then the second step, that is converting your account to a business account. For that, simply click on your profile icon, which is in the top right corner. Then click on your profile and then click on edit profile. After that, click on profile visibility. And ensure that your profile is not set to private, and then go to account management and click convert account. Then click on upgrade. So your personal account is converting to a business account. Then click content creator as your description of your business and then click next. Then write name of your business or simply give your name, and if you have not any website then simply click next. After that, select your goals. Okay, at least at most 3 goals you must select. I just simply select 2 of them and then choose your brand focus and then done. And then click on the first option, that is share ideas, and click next. So the second step is complete, and the third step is creating your first pin. For that, go to your browser and simply search a product. I just simply search a kitten face white shoe for girls. So just in Amazon, then I go to the image and select a image and then go to the Amazon website. After that, you make sure that you have an Amazon affiliate account. Without an Amazon affiliate account, you will not be able to generate affiliate links to earn commission. If you don't know that how to create a affiliate account, then simply go to my description. There is a separate dedicated video on this particular topic. Make sure that you must watch this video, and then you just simply save this image to your laptop, or you can take a screenshot of this image, and then you just go to the top of the website and click get link, and then copy affiliate link. Okay, and then just go to ChatGPT, and then simply upload your product image which you just saved in your device. After that, go to the Pinterest website and copy all these things like title, description, link, board, and all these things. Copy it from Pinterest and simply paste it in ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT give you the perfect title, description, and all these things which are required for your pin creation in Pinterest. So copy the title and paste it here. Then simply copy the description and paste it here. Then in that link part, you just give your affiliate link which you created, and then copy the board and simply click on the board and then click create board option, and paste here your board and then create. After that, simply copy the tags from here and paste it in Pinterest. And then just click on more options and copy the description of your pins visual and paste it in the ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a perfect description for your pin. Then copy it and paste it in the Pinterest, and then simply check all the details and then click publish. Congratulations, you successfully create your first pin on Pinterest. For checking that, you simply click on your view profile and here you can see your product. This is your product, and when you can see that there is the option visit site. When you click it, then you will go on the Amazon from which you copy the link, and that's it. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video.